All right, so Natalie, welcome to our YOLO Texas kitchen. How are you doing today?
Great, thank you. We're very excited to be here.
I'm super excited because you're with Tequila Sheela, and well, here at YOLO we do like our tequila.
Absolutely, Texas loves tequila.
Yes. So
sure.
Can you tell me a little bit about the brand?
Absolutely. So it's called Tequila Sheela, and Sheila is actually my longtime friend and co-founder.
Okay.
And she and I were both in search of a tequila that is a bit of a healthier option.
Okay.
And so that's what we created and wanted to introduce to the world.
What a fun job.
Yeah, I know, it's so difficult. You gotta drink tequila all day.
All day. So, okay, tell me a little bit about what we're going to do here today.
So we are an organic tequila, and so we're going to make an organic cocktail. It's an organic mango margarita. It's absolutely phenomenal, and it's using a mango cordial liqueur, and that's called Soley. It does make amazing margaritas. So let's get
we
to
love
it.
margaritas here.
Absolutely.
So walk me through it.
So we're going to start, fill your glass with ice.
Okay.
So we've got ice ready here. And about half or 3/4 of the way full of ice is perfect. So what we do is you just fill the shot glass with tequila, and I use the Reposado.
Alrighty.
Again, because it's aged, you get a little of that oak and vanilla flavor, and it really brings out the flavor of the mango.
Okay.
And so the second ingredient we're going to use is the Soley mango.
Okay.
So again, this is freshly pressed fruit with a little alcohol. So you are going to feel the effect of one of these cocktails. And then equal part, the last part is going to be an organic simple syrup.
Okay. I'm not even looking at the lines that are in here. I'm just trying to fill it as much as possible.
It'll come out perfect, and if not, you can always tweak it a little bit and make it exactly what you want.
Yes.
So the fourth ingredient is the lime.
Okay.
So you'll take a whole lime, cut it in half,
Okay.
and then you just squeeze half of the lime into your cocktail.
Okay. This is so perfect. It's very few ingredients.
Yes.
And, oh, there we go. There's all that lime juice.
That's all 4 ingredients, and you've got an amazing mango margarita that's organic and all natural.
Okay, well, I'm excited to taste it, so.
Yeah. Can we?
Yes, we
Let's do
can
it.
definitely taste it, so.
Perfect. What's Soley?
Soley?
Oh, that's so good. I love it. Isn't it
That
phenomenal?
is delicious. I don't even taste the alcohol.
No, not at all.
This is a perfect Saturday morning drink, or any time of day,
Exactly.
any day.
I mean, brunch is a very popular thing these days, so why not? And we have a new thing, first time to announce it, is we actually have some Margarita Kits. And so I brought some to show everyone. So it's an awesome organic margarita.
I already like it. It has the word awesome in it.
I know. It's so true. And so what you get inside is the recipe card, the simple syrup, the Tequila Sheela, and the Soley mango. And so you can find it on juicingwiththekick.com.
Okay.
And let us know where you're located, and we can tell you how to get it.
How perfect is this?
I know. Isn't it great? It's super cute.
So cute. Well, I'm going to continue sipping.
I know.
All right, Chris.
Hello.
Thank you for coming to our YOLO kitchen.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, so we just talked with Natalie. We just had an amazing cocktail using some Soley products. So tell me a little bit about the company.
All right, so Soley is essentially juicing with alcohol. So what we do is we juice real actual fruit, and then for the fun of it, we just add a little bit of alcohol.
So what are we going to make today? Because the mango was out of this world.
So basically we're gonna make a superfood margarita.
Okay.
It's gonna be the same recipe, but we're gonna use the superfood, so it's gonna be a blueberry pomegranate margarita with all organic ingredients.
Okay, so it makes it healthy, right? It's superfruit, it's organic, like
100%, right?
healthy.
So we're just gonna fill our glass with ice.
Okay.
Oops. So I personally, I'm always starting with the lime. So you can change the order. I am gonna start with the lime.
Okay, I'm gonna do what you're gonna do.
All right, so we'll take the lime, we'll cut it in half. Here we go.
All right. Look at all that lime juice. Oh,
that's a good trick to know. We're gonna use the Soley Superfruit.
Okay.
We're gonna do an ounce. Now we're gonna add the simple syrup.
Okay.
We're gonna do the same. We're gonna do about an ounce. The alcohol part, the tequila, the awesome tequila.
Yes.
Same thing.
And we're using a Blanco?
We're using the Blanco here.
Alrighty.
And now the moment of truth.
Alright, here we go.
Cheers.
Salute. Cheers.
Salute.
Oh yeah. Oh gosh.
It's delicious, right?
That superfood is amazing.
So here's what we're doing. Today we're actually announcing we put together these little awesome organic margarita kits.
Yes.
So that people can try it with small little mini bottles.
Okay.
So, and in there, when you open that, you're gonna get a recipe card which details exactly what we did. And on one side it's gonna be the mango, on the other side it's gonna be the superfruit.
Okay.
And then in here we have cute little mini bottles of all the ingredients necessary. All you need is a lime, and then you can redo this at home.
Wow, y'all really provide everything. Like you said, just get your own lime.
Absolutely. So you can try this with small quantities.
Yes.
And if you like it, you can get the big kit.
Yes, thank you.
Visit the links below to learn more about Tequila Sheela, Soley, and the drink recipes we featured today.